Forget your fancy molecular gastronomy, your foams and your gels. Let's talk real food, the kind that speaks of tradition, of respect for ingredients, of a chef's intimate understanding of flavor. We're diving into the world of fish dinners, but not just any fish dinners. We're talking about meals that transcend the ordinary, where every element, from the sourcing of the fish to the final seasoning, is treated with reverence. This is a journey for those who believe that the best meals tell a story of the sea, of the land, of the people who have honed their culinary skills over generations. We're going beyond the tourist traps, seeking out those hidden gems, those family-run restaurants, those local markets where the true treasures are found. Fasten your seatbelts, folks. We're about to embark on a global culinary adventure, one exquisite fish dinner at a time. Get ready to taste the passion, the dedication, the sheer artistry that goes into crafting a meal that stays with you long after the last bite. This is about more than just food. It's about experiencing a culture through its cuisine, about understanding the connection between people, place, and plate. So let's grab our forks and dive in. The world of exquisite fish dinners awaits. Our first stop takes us to the sun-drenched shores of the Mediterranean, a region where the bounty of the sea is celebrated with unparalleled passion. Imagine this. You're seated at a table overlooking the turquoise waters of the Aegean Sea. The air is thick with the scent of salt, citrus, and oregano. A simple dish of grilled sardines arrives, glistening with olive oil, sprinkled with a touch of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon. The fish, caught just hours ago, is cooked to perfection, its flesh flaky and moist, its flavor intensified by the kiss of the grill. But the symphony of freshness doesn't end there. A platter of just-caught seafood is presented, each element a testament to the region's commitment to quality. Tender octopus grilled and drizzled with a vibrant salsa verde. Plump mussels steamed in white wine and garlic, their briny liquor begging to be soaked up with crusty bread. This is Mediterranean cuisine at its finest, simple, honest, and bursting with the flavors of the sea. The chefs here don't need to rely on complex techniques or exotic ingredients. They understand that the true magic lies in allowing the quality of their ingredients to shine. It's a reminder that sometimes the most memorable meals are the ones that celebrate the essence of simplicity, the pure, unadulterated flavors of the Mediterranean. From the sun-kissed shores of the Mediterranean, we journey eastward to the land of the rising sun, where the culinary arts reach new heights of precision and artistry. Here, fish is not just food, it's an obsession, revered and celebrated with an almost spiritual devotion. We're talking, of course, about sushi, but forget your all-you-can-eat conveyor belt affairs. This is the realm of the true sushi masters, the itamai, who dedicate their lives to perfecting this ancient craft. Picture this. You're seated at a small, intimate sushi bar, the air filled with a hushed reverence. The itamai, with years of experience etched onto his face, prepares each piece of sushi with meticulous care. The freshest tuna, flown in that morning from the Tsukiji fish market, its ruby red flesh glistening like a jewel. The delicate balance of rice, seasoned to perfection with a touch of vinegar and sugar, each grain distinct yet clinging together harmoniously. A whisper of wasabi, a brush of soy sauce, and the masterpiece is complete. But the world of Japanese fish dinners extends far beyond sushi. There's the delicate art of tempura, where seafood and vegetables are encased in a light, ethereal batter and fried to a golden crisp. Or the rich, savory flavors of a steaming bowl of ramen, its broth simmered for hours with pork bones and kombu seaweed, topped with slices of tender chashu pork and a perfectly cooked egg. Our culinary adventure now takes us to the vibrant shores of Peru, a land where the ancient Inca civilization once thrived and where the Pacific Ocean teems with a dazzling array of seafood. Here, amidst the bustling markets and colorful streets, a culinary tradition thrives, one that's as bold and vibrant as the country itself. We're talking about ceviche, Peru's national dish and a testament to the country's love affair with fresh, flavorful seafood. Imagine this. You're seated at a small family-run restaurant in Lima, the air thick with the scent of lime, cilantro, and ají amarillo, Peru's beloved yellow chili pepper. A plate of ceviche arrives, a riot of colors and textures that awaken the senses. Chunks of fresh, firm white fish, perhaps corvina or sea bass, are cooked in a marinade of lime juice, their natural sweetness intensified by the citrusy tang. Thinly sliced red onions add a sharp bite, while a generous scattering of cilantro provides a refreshing herbaceousness. But the true star of the show is the ají amarillo, its fruity heat adding a layer of complexity that dances on the palate. And let's not forget the leche de tigre, the tiger's milk, the leftover marinade that's considered a delicacy in itself, its potent blend of flavors said to have invigorating properties. Ceviche is more than just a dish in Peru. It's a symbol of national pride, a celebration of the country's rich culinary heritage, and a testament to the ingenuity of its people. From the sun-drenched shores of the Mediterranean to the bustling streets of Lima, our culinary journey has taken us across the globe, exploring the diverse and delicious world of exquisite fish dinners. We've witnessed firsthand how the simplest of ingredients, when treated with respect and prepared with passion, can be transformed into culinary masterpieces. We've seen how regional ingredients and cooking techniques, passed down through generations, shape the unique flavors of each dish. More importantly, we've learned that the most memorable meals are about more than just the food itself. They're about the stories they tell, the connections they forge, and the experiences they create. So the next time you find yourself craving a truly special dining experience, remember the lessons learned on this culinary adventure. Seek out those hidden gems, embrace the flavors of the world, and allow yourself to be transported by the power of a truly exquisite fish dinner. Because in the end, it's not just about what's on the plate, but the journey it takes you on.